What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to this episode of G4 Outdoors. Have you ever wished that you could have recorded that hunt that you were on? I got a great product right here from EagleVision.
Well, here's a little story about two friends that came together, and we started up a YouTube just to talk about whatever. We're on a boat catching big bass and smashing them cats. From review videos to just making you laugh. Cause we got guns, we got knives, we got fishing, we got hunting, we got everything you like, so hit that subscribe button. We're in the outdoors, doing things that we love. We're talking guitars, girls, green grass, and guns.
So EagleVision from UK sent me a product so that I can continue with these videos that I'm going to be bringing you guys. Guys, I'm going to be doing a ton of videos on rifles, air rifles in particular, BBs, pellets, CO2, PCP, Springer guns. I'm going to be doing it all. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, stick around and hit that subscribe button because I will be bringing a lot of content to this channel on that. And along with that, this right here is what's going to be helping you guys see what I'm going to be shooting. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So this is a little bit, I think you would call it an investment because it is a spendy little product. But what it does offer is a lot of value, because if you've ever been hunting and you tell your buddies that you shot that 19-point buck and they're like, yeah. Well, now you can put this on your scope without any intrusion and record what you've shot for the day. I like that case a lot. So in the case here, we do have a very sturdy case. This is going to be able to travel along with you anywhere you go. Just shy of being a plain old hard case, this is a really nice case. Would not be afraid to travel with this one.
That's a cool little carbon fiber pattern.
Yeah, a faux carbon fiber. Carbon fiber faux. So in the package, we're going to have a GoPro mount. And this is the GoPro kit that I got, and I'll go into detail on what all this has. This model right here, the specific model, it will hold the GoPro 5, 6, and 7. You will have to buy the kit in order to get a different lens to insert into your GoPro. Technical reasons, I'm not going to go over that. But you will have to buy the lens that goes to your GoPro. So this right here is the GoPro mount. It also comes with some spacers, 3 spacers to be exact. Now these spacers, wow, the machining on these things are very good, very quality machining. That's another reason why I went with EagleVision, is just because of the quality of construction. Very high grade aluminum. Actually, I don't know about high grade. Very quality built aluminum. And by look, you can hear the screws on these, how that's quality machining right there, and that's what I like. Next up, we're going to have, and I'm not going to play with this piece too much because there's mirrors. So this right here is what's going to be manipulating the vision between the GoPro and your scope. So you have your GoPro mount, and this right here is a mirrored section. Nice little printing job on the side there with EagleVision. So this right here will go in front of your scope. The EagleVision will sit on the side just like this, and then you will be looking through your scope. So this is a see-through design, but yet your GoPro is going through here looking through a mirror and seeing what's going on downrange. Now in this model, I did get a 25% light perception for myself and 75% light perception for you guys. If this was just for my own personal use, I would have went with a 50-50, but this is just for recording purposes for you guys to see what I'm shooting along the way. Target practice, plinking, downrange, whatever. So this does come with a nice eyepiece. This piece right here will go on your gun, and there's a little collet in here. So you put this over the back of your scope, screw this down, and it will self-tighten, self-center onto your scope, so everything will be set up right. So we're going to be looking at a product just like this for right now. And on back of here, we will be putting, which is one of my favorite pieces, let me bring this in for you. It is a rubber eyepiece, and this is to keep you from getting scope eye. So this is to retain light for me. As you can see, you can look through that just like that. It's a nice eyepiece, and with these being pellet guns, there's not going to be much recoil to to worry about. Let me get this all set up for you and I'll show you exactly how it all works. So I was surprised. I don't know if you can see how small the diameter of this eyepiece is right here, but it's very small, and this universal fit actually did fit on here. I didn't think that it would squeeze down that far. I think they would prefer a larger eyepiece, but it did fit this very small one that come on one of the Gamma rifles. Super cheap. You will have a little bit of a problem leveling this up, but it does fit if you can finagle with it. Actually, it would be a lot easier on a larger eyepiece. Okay, so I got a little bit larger scope right here. It's a Nikon. So you open this up so that it slides all the way on. Just start tightening it down and it will self-center on there and just give it a little bit of a snug. If you notice, I don't have the bolt in here. In order to run this setup on this gun, you will need a little bit, just a little bit of a riser for your bolt to actually clear this. So keep that in mind. So now that this is on here, we can install our mirror portion. Let's go ahead and screw this on. And I'm going to adjust this so that it's, actually I'll just give it a little bit of a turn there. There, it's good there. Next, we're gonna put our eyepiece on. And I will have to move this rubber eye relief right here around so that it fits just right. And there, now as you can see, there's a nice eye relief right here. And I can clearly see through my scope, so the eye relief on this is just right. You've got 3 inches of eye relief right here. Most rifles that you get, you'll have a 3 to 4 inch eye relief, so that's spot on right there. Next, and this is where you're gonna have to do a little bit of a trial and error. That's where these spacers are gonna come in for the focal length for your GoPro. Good quality so it didn't break. That's the basic unboxing of this product. Guys, if you want to see this in actual use, stick around and hit that subscribe button, because all of my videos are going to be including the EagleVision along with GoPro footage of this shooting targets, plinking outside onto metal swingers or whatnot. There's going to be a lot of videos with this being used in it. So if this unboxing short little setup video helped you out at all, please hit that like button, go over to EagleVision, check out their products. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next one.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I just dream of fishing while I'm going through my workday. I listen to my boss, though he's driving me berserk. Damn it, I can't take much more because my brain is really hurting. And now the bank is always calling and I don't know what to do. And I haven't bought a crankbait since like 1992. But the bass are out there schooling.